Okay, this is not an HD video, it's just a sample. Like, I have my window open and everything and every sound is just outside, and the birds. I love the birds where I live. I have a lot of birds in front of me because I have a really large tree in front of me. It's not the best place in the world to live in. It's not quite at all, but I love the tree. I love the birds. You can hear. It's so beautiful and actually makes me so calm when I listen to them during the day. Sometimes they wake up late at night, which is so good. So this is a audio test with the front camera. I'm not recording with the like back camera. Just trying to see if the sound will be nice and if I can cancel it in my mini mic. It would be great because this is so loud, and of course it's not perfect because it's not with the mic, it's just with the phone. And yeah, I'm trying to see if I can do this. Hi. Come on, say hi. So let's do it.